Everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor, and I am Priyanka Chauhan, MSc Botany Gold Medalist, having 11 years of teaching experience, and now on YouTube. The aim of making videos is to guide and motivate millions of students in their studies across the globe. My videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, BSc Botany students and MSc Botany students, and I will clear all your concepts and fundamentals of biology. If you have any queries regarding the syllabus, regarding the books, or any topic, you can just write down in the comment section and I'll definitely reply your queries. Now in the previous videos, we have already discussed the syllabus of BSc Botany Semester 1, Semester 2, Semester 3, Semester 4, Semester 5. Separate video for each semester are already uploaded on my channel. With in detail, I have explained which books you have to study for each topic in all the videos. So if you have not seen, go and check out those videos, and if you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell button so you get the notification when I upload a new video. Please subscribe the channel and please press the bell button for all the notifications of the videos which I upload on my channel. As soon as I upload, you get the notification of that video. Now let's start the video. BSc Botany 6th semester syllabus. It is the BSc Botany 3rd year syllabus. Paper first is molecular biology. Unit first is nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, types of RNA, genetic and non-genetic RNA, replication of genetic material, semi-conservative method of replication and its fundamental rules. Unit second is enzymes involved in DNA replication, primases, ligases, DNA polymerase, helicase, topoisomerase, DNA replication in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, plasmids and its types. Unit third is genetic code, properties of code, codons, anticodon and initiation codons, nonsense codon, protein structure and classification, central dogma, degeneracy and wobble, initiation of polypeptide chain synthesis, chain elongation and chain termination. Most of the topics you have already studied in your class 11th and 12th. So first please go and read your basics. First go and read Pradeep's biology book. Most of the topics are covered in that book. First you go and read that book, and after that you go for any higher book. So that would definitely clear your concepts and it would be easy for you to read from 2-3 books and then prepare your own notes, so that during the examination time you don't have to go through so many books. You can just take out your notes and you can just study from them. It will save your time also. Unit 4th is gene concept, operon concept, the lac operon, tryptophan operon, arabinose operon, gene regulation in eukaryotes and prokaryotes, cloning vectors. Unit 5 is gene transfer, objectives, techniques, vector mediated, direct gene transfer, mechanism of nitrogen fixation, diazotroph genetics, hub gene, NIF gene. So first you study from Pradeep's biology, and then I will tell you the books for this genetics. For this you can refer the book A Textbook of Genetics by Dr. Veerbala Rastogi. In that book you will get most of the topics will be covered in that book. Now the next paper. Next paper is biotechnology. Biotechnology, first topic is in unit first, scope of biotechnology, cellular totipotency, history and the scope of plant tissue culture, media preparation, methods of sterilization, callus culture, differentiation, morphogenesis, somatic embryogenesis, suspension culture, isolation of protoplast and its culture micropropagation. All these biotechnology topics you will when you will do practicals, because you are having all these topics practicals in your biotechnology. When you will do the practicals, then you will very well understand all these topics also in theory part. Unit second is genetic engineering, cloning vectors, genomic libraries, cDNA library, tools, techniques, and the application of recombination DNA technology, restriction endonuclease, artificial seeds, their uses and its limitation. Unit third is agrobacterium, a natural genetic engineer. It is a very important question. Transgenic plants and its applications, another very important topic. Chloroplast transformation and its utility, intellectual property rights, IPR. Next, unit 4 is germ plasm conservation, cryopreservation, polymerase chain reaction. All these topics are very important. Application of PCR in biotechnology and genetic engineering, DNA fingerprinting. Unit 4 includes bioreactors, structure and the types, production of organic compounds, alcohol, antibiotics, immobilization, elicitation, biofertilizers. So you'll get all these topics in one book, that is the Elements of Biotechnology by P.K. Gupta. It will cover all your topics of biotechnology. So you can purchase all these books. You will get all these books online also. So start your studies. If still you have any queries, then you can ask me. I'll definitely answer your question, either through any video or in the comment section. I will write the answers. Till then, work hard, focus on your studies, and you'll definitely excel in your exams. So best of luck all of you. Thank you so much and take care.